Moving forward with the other type of chart, we have surface charts and heat map. But in Google Sheet, we cannot create a surface chart as we don't have a surface chart option. So we will only talk about heat maps. So heat map is not a chart. It is just a formatting option. It is formatting a data in the table. This is a table of number of customers visiting a website with 2 hours interval. So these are the customers visiting each day from Monday to Sunday in these times. So number of customers. So on Monday at 2 a.m. 494 customers visited the website, and it goes with interval of 2 hours from 2 a.m. to 12 a.m. in the other day. And this is a heat map I have created out of this table. So this heat map represents that the green color is lesser value and the red color is higher value. And by just looking at this heat map, you can say that at this time around in the later part of the week, so from Friday to Sunday, around this time, which is 8 a.m. to let's say 4 p.m, highest number of people visited the website. So for a business perspective, you can run more ads in this time frame so that we can attract more customers. Now to create a heat map, I will use the conditional formatting option. So I will first select this data. Now we'll go to format, and here you can see the conditional formatting option. So in conditional formatting option, go to color scale, and this is the format rules. You can select a heat map from here. So it is a green to yellow heat map. So this is the exactly same representation of this table. Now in heat map, we have other option. One option is to remove this data completely. So if I hide this data, I can still say that from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the later part of the week, which is from Thursday or Friday to Sunday, more customers visited the website. So I guess these numbers doesn't make sense in a heat map. So if you want to remove these numbers, you can select this table. Go to this data type. So this 1, 2, 3, it has a drop down option. Go to this drop down and go to customize the number format. Here you can customize the number format here. Delete this and use semicolon 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Now apply it. As you can see, the numbers are gone. And in this table, I can still identify that from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the Thursday to Sunday, the maximum number of customers visited the website. So this is how you can create a heat map from a table using a conditional formatting option. Or if you want to remove the numerical values, you can also remove them using the customized number format option. Now we will move to the next video. Thank you.